Why did you guys pull over here and block the whole road? Both of you guys, why did you park your cars like that to block the entire road? This is a retaliatory stop because I told you you're blocking the bike lane. Then you finished your stop and immediately raced up in front of me to get over here and stop both cars in front of the road to stop me. Watch these cars go around you into oncoming traffic because you guys decided to do a retaliatory stop because I yelled out, you're blocking the bike lane.
Anytime somebody appears to you and tries to violate your will under, I don't care what reason it is, oh, we're here to keep you safe, I'm going to protect and serve the crap out of you. No thanks. And then they do it anyway, they're violating your will. They're steamrolling over your consent. They're doing to you what they wouldn't want done to themselves. That is tyranny. That's the basics and the essence of tyranny. So, having said that, let's take a look at this interaction with, this is from Cops Lie, Cameras Don't. I love that name. Cops Lie, Cameras Don't. And this is a guy who's biking on the bike lane, and the cops, because they have qualified immunity and they can do no wrong in their own eyes, and they believe badges and uniforms grant special rights, they were blocking off the bike path when Cops Lie, Cameras Don't was coming along. Watch this.
Why did you stop me? Why did you stop me?
I asked you to do run. I handed you my own notepad, didn't I?
No, you didn't hand me your notepad.
I handed it this way.
Why did you guys pull over here and block the whole road? Both of you guys, why did you park your cars like that to block the entire road to get in front of me? This is a retaliatory stop because I told you you're blocking the bike lane. Then you finished your stop and immediately raced up in front of me to get over here and stop both cars in front of the road to stop me. Other than I told you you're blocking the road or blocking the bike lane, why are you stopping me? What's the reason for stopping me?
I already explained it to you, sir.
And say it again because I didn't understand it.
I don't need to say it 14 times today.
It's a retaliatory stop. You stopped me because I said to get out of the bike lane. You had your SUV.
Isn't that crazy? Think of the irony of this. He's using your resources against you while he's getting paid by you. That's what makes this so sick and disgusting and nasty and repulsive.
In the bike lane, and then as soon as I went past you and told you you're blocked, all I said was you're blocking the SUV, you're blocking the bike lane. Did I say anything else? Did I say F you or anything like that? I said you're blocking and I kept on going. I had to go around your car and into traffic where cars were going because you were parked so cockeyed. As soon as I said that, 15 seconds later, you chased me down and got in front of me and blocked the road with both cars so you could stop me for a retaliatory stop. For a retaliatory stop.
It may be misspoken, but when you went between our cars, I said, you can keep going, sir, if I remember right. You were there, and I said, you can keep going, and you stopped. So.
Why are you doing this right here? You're completely blocking the road. Why did you do that? What was the legal reason? Because you had, 3 or 4 cars behind you that you made go all the way around you into oncoming traffic? What was the reason for stopping your cars like that? What was your reason for stopping those cars like that and blocking the road and making 3 cars right now? Watch these cars go around you into.
Look at this. The guy, Cops Lie, Cameras Don't, is making a fantastic point and demonstrating it and then documenting it on video for evidence for the judge, the jury to see. They are blocking a sidewalk they don't even have to do this, and they're making these cars right here go into oncoming traffic, which is a dangerous situation. I thought protect and serve was kind of the motto of police departments all across the nation. What's going on?
Oncoming traffic because you guys are leaving. You can move your car. There's no reason to leave your car like that. Look at that. Oncoming traffic, both cars, because you guys decided to do a retaliatory stop because I yelled out, you're blocking the bike lane. You're blocking the bike lane. That's all I said. And then you guys chase me down and then get in front of me and stop me. And then search me and everything else.
Well, I think
you're still blocking. 3 cars are just sitting there, man. Look at that. 3 cars going into oncoming traffic because you stopped a guy on a bike who said you're blocking the bike lane. You're blocking the bike lane. So you're causing all of this.
They're so proud and full of themselves that they can see that the guy's telling the truth and they don't care. They're not in any hurry to move this roadblock, this road hazard. They're literally putting people's lives in jeopardy here. But don't they always? Isn't that what traffic law is all about? Who in their right mind would pull a granny or anybody over on the side of an interstate where other vehicles are going 60, 70, 80 miles per hour? You got these 3,500 pound bullets, these pieces, these massive pieces of metal going down. Anything could happen. Flat tire, tie rod, somebody falls asleep in at the wheel, somebody's texting and not paying attention. At any moment, you could get hit at 60, 75 miles per hour and you're gone, or your life is forever altered. And they're talking about officer safety trumping individual rights, officer safety trumping constitutional rights. What they're saying is my safety trumps your safety, even while they're putting themselves in danger. That's why they go, well, one of the things that, police officers are 30% more likely to be killed on the job because of traffic stops. Well, whose fault is that? I didn't ask to be stopped. I wasn't swerving in and out of traffic. I wasn't endangering people. I just had a tail light out, you said. How many people have died on the side of the road because they got pulled over because of improperly illuminated tag light? Or they said the brakes weren't working. You don't have your running lights on. When you come to find out, yes, you did. They were just trying to conduct a fishing expedition to see what else they got. Why'd you pull me over, officer? Well, I pulled you over to figure out why I was pulling you over.
Would you like to speak to our supervisor right now, or would you like to...
I'm going to make a complaint. I need both cars because I'm going to file a complaint. This was a retaliatory stop, and you know it was. You know it was. You did this because I yelled out, "You're blocking the bike lane." And still, man, I'm blown away by this. Thank you. You were actually pretty professional, dude. I'm not making a complaint against you, but that's not cool.
So can I...
You're pretty professional. You're a pretty professional tyrant. You're still a tyrant. I mean, you're being nice to me, but it's still tyranny. You got to smile, but tyranny with a smile is still tyranny. Professional, polite, courteous, but you're still a tyrant. No, it's like putting perfume on a pig. The pig is tyranny, and you're going to go to put, Christian Dior or whatever, name a perfume. Spray that stuff all over you, you're still a pig. Put man's cologne on, you're still a pig. Dress him up in a suit, he's still a pig. An authoritarian psychopath is still an authoritarian, power-tripping tyrant psychopath, even if he's professional.
Explain to you really quick.
But that's not cool right
Can I
there.
explain to you from the start really quickly?
Yeah.
So he was handling a different call. Okay,
I saw it. I
have
saw it.
no idea what happened
I
before
saw
that.
it. Yeah.
I had a question for him about that call. I had no idea you were behind us.
Okay.
So that has nothing to do with you.
You know what? Before you even go on, I agree with you, and I believe you. You had nothing to do with that. You rolled up on the tail end of his stop. He did a retaliatory stop, not you. He did. He did a retaliatory stop, and I'm going to make a complaint against him only, not you.
Sir, well, so again, so this has nothing to do with that, and the reason why we're not moving our cars yet is because we roll in pairs, okay? You've been somewhat cooperative.
No, I haven't, because I'm pissed off right now, because I know what he did. I know what he did. I don't
want to go to move my car and then you possibly fight him.
I'm not going to, dude, I'm 57 years old. Come on, I'm not doing that.
I realize that, sir.
No, you see the long hair and you think, oh, this guy's a problem. He thought he was going to get me on warrants or something like that. No, I'm not that guy. I'm sorry. I live over here in Los Gatos. I'm not that guy.
That's awesome. So he's talking to our supervisor right now. Do you want to wait for him to come out here, or do you want to go to our station and talk to him there?
I'll talk to the supervisor.
You'll wait.
Yeah, I'll wait. How long is he going to take?
He goes back and yells something about
You're blocking the bike lane.
didn't hear that out. Hey, you're blocking the bike lane or something. And then he was on the sidewalk at that point as well. Then I pulled down here to do a ripper, and then he's still on the sidewalk. Coming out, he comes out of the gas station and then pulls between.
And here's his
going on
business.
and stops.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
And then
I'm not going to file a complaint against you at all.
he stopped between us, and I was like, you wanted to complain.
Sir, it's your right to complain about us, right? We're not worried about
It's
that.
not you, though. It's not you. You didn't do anything wrong.
Complain about it.
You're just doing your job. He did a retaliatory stop, and I'll file a complaint about it. Blocking the bike lane, and then you want to give me shit about being on the sidewalk. I do that every day, and I'm going to continue to do it because it's not safe right there.
You know what I think about when I see a video like this? If they are willing to do this with their body cams and dash cams on, I don't see this guy with a body cam, but if they're willing to do something that seems so insignificant, why would you do that? What are they really doing, man? If we've unearthed a little bit of evil, how much evil is under that rug?
Talk to the supervisor now.
Yeah.
Or
Yes.
Oh,
I do.
he's on it.
Absolutely. This is ridiculous, man. You could, you know what? It would be safer. I'm not going to fight this guy. It'd be safer if you moved your car.
I'm just gonna wait for our supervisor on the way. As soon as he gets here, I'm gonna move my car, and then we'll. All right.
Why?
Here comes another car.
He could literally move it right now and make the roadway safer. And he's just not doing it because, no way, I'm not going to do it. It's kind of like when you talk to people and it's like, I'm not leaving the building until you do. And it's like, well, I have a perfect right to be here. I'm going to be here. And it's just like they're so proud and egotistical and self-centered that they just can't bring themselves to do the right thing. Just can't do it.
Going to oncoming traffic.
Yeah, how much? Yeah, that's a good. Patrick Miller said, "How much does this stop cost? How much did it cost taxpayers for this stop right here? How much in resources did they let their vehicles idle? How many of these kinds of interactions do they have with the public every day? And then you add those up at the end of the week and at the end of the year. How many gallons of fuel were wasted on a stupid stop like this?"
Two cars going to oncoming traffic. 3 cars into oncoming traffic. Do you see a bike lane in that turning lane?
This guy's destroying these cops.
Do you know how fast cars come around that turning lane when there's not 2 cop cars sitting right here? Do you know how fast they go? They fly around that fucking corner. I do that
often?
This is my bike ride. I live over here. I go up to Los Gatos. I go down to downtown Campbell. I work out, and then I come back up through this way. And I go all the way down there to...
something I do as far as proactive...
Yeah, James Barnes says, endangering everyone else's lives over their ego and arrogance. Well put. Ego is an enemy to humility.
Policing for me.
Pride goes before destruction. Haughty spirit before a fall. It always happens, guys. Being proud, being egotistical, thinking you're the center of the universe, it never goes well for you. You might be able to get away with it for a time, but it's so unappealing. It's so disgusting.
What's important is speed. Okay?
So you're going to force me into riding into these guys right here when you guys all know they fly around this corner.
That. What I'm saying is I'm hearing your complaint, and what I do is proactively enforce speed in our city. Okay?
Yeah. Well, you want to force me into that traffic where they're driving way too fast.
Okay.
This was a retaliatory. You know what? No matter what you say, this was a retaliatory stop.
Yeah,
flat out was, dude. I yelled out, "You're blocking the bike lane." Didn't say anything else. Didn't say "fuck you" or nothing else. I said, "You're blocking the bike lane," and then you chased me down. You chased me down and got in front of me.
Okay, sir. So I just think it would be best if our conversation ended until the supervisor got here, and then you could talk with him privately about whatever you would like. Does that sound good?
That's fine with me. But this guy's a dickhead.
You have the right to feel that way, sir.
I absolutely have that right. And I have freedom of speech. You're a dickhead, dude. You're a flat-out dickhead.
It's true. And that comes from the YouTube channel Cops Lie, Cameras Don't. If you visit him, let him know, here's the deal sent you.